Metalicity is an exploration company based in Perth, Western Australia. It owns 100% of the Admiral Bay Zinc project, located in the Canning Basin, approximately 140 kilometres south of Broome. The Admiral Bay resource is covered by 2 granted mining leases and 1 granted exploration licence, with a total project area covering more than 3,400 square kilometres of the Kimberley region. The deposit was discovered in 1981 during petroleum exploration and to date has had more than $50 million invested into it. Currently, it has an inferred mineral resource of 170 million tonnes at 7.5% zinc equivalent, making it the 4th largest undeveloped zinc deposit in the world. Potential also exists for an exploration resource target of up to 210 million tonnes at 7.2% zinc equivalent. The potential for district-scale mineralisation along the 130-kilometre of tenure is based on the theory that regional scale faults have acted as pathways for the mineralising fluids. The zinc and lead mineralised fluids have moved from the basement rocks via faults from the Admiral Bay Fault Zone into a uniform flat sequence of permeable rocks, which have acted as the deposit host. The continuous extent of the interpreted mineralisation over 18 kilometres is interpreted within an upright open antiform, with mineralisation pinching out away from the axis of the antiform towards the edges of the limbs. All of the drill holes at Admiral Bay have been highly successful, with mineralisation intercepted in every hole, including intercepts with zinc equivalent grades of up to 16%. The mineralisation at Admiral Bay consists of sphalerite and galena, which combined is classified as a weak rock with measured uniaxial rock strengths of 26 to 44 megapascals. Various mining methods can be considered for the project. Typically, longwall and room and pillar mining, with their variations, are usually considered the best option for selectively mining weak rock, and variations of open stope and caving mining are commonly considered for non-selective mining of more competent rock. The rock strength values at Admiral Bay make it suited to the longwall or room and pillar mining methods. However, the sub-horizontal orientation and long strike length of the mineralisation makes it ideal for longwall mining. To access the deposit from the surface, a conventional shaft method has been chosen. The shaft would be used for ventilation, access and material hoisting. Development of longwall mines involves the excavation of a network of haulage drifts for access to production areas and to transport ore to shaft stations. Haulage drifts are usually arranged in regular patterns and excavated within the ore. Longwall mining is suitable for soft tabular deposits with uniform thickness and large continuous horizontal extents. Because coal seams and potash layers typically satisfy these criteria, they are commonly extracted by longwall mining. The longwall mining method extracts ore along a straight front with a large longitudinal extent. The soft material does not require drilling and blasting and is cut loose by rotating drums with cutters, which run back and forth along the face, each time cutting a fresh slice of the ore. The roof along the longwall face is supported and the working area is completely protected by a system of hydraulically operated roof supports. The supports move forward as mining advances, and the roof behind is allowed to collapse into the void that is left as the face retreats. Although the longwall mining equipment is remotely operated, if miners are required to maintain the machinery, they are shielded from the overhead rock by the hydraulic roof supports. The ore falls onto a chain conveyor that carries it to the haulage drift. From here, it is transported by a conveyor to the hoisting system, which hauls it to surface. The thickness of the mineralisation at Admiral Bay enables the extraction of multiple stacked ore panels. As well as stacked panels being mined at one location, potential exists for simultaneous production fronts from numerous stacked panels along the extent of the mineralised system. The mineralisation remaining can be mined through conventional hard rock mining methods at a later stage. The haulage of ore to the surface will be via a conventional shaft, arriving at the surface on a stockpile before progressing through the process plant for concentration. The final concentrate product is then transported within sealed containers along Great Northern Highway to Broome Port. At the port, the sealed containers are safely stacked and stored until being loaded by rotainers into bulk cargo ships for export to market. The Admiral Bay Zinc Project is a large, long-life project with the potential of sustaining a low-cost, multi-decade zinc operation. The project is located in a politically stable jurisdiction, within close proximity to existing infrastructure to support a future development. By applying modern, large and fully remote continuous mining methods, Metalicity believes it can unlock the full potential of Admiral Bay's 18-kilometre resource and develop a truly world-class, low-cost zinc mine. Admiral Bay, Australia's most strategic zinc asset.